Hello beautiful people. When it's come to fresh filtered water that we consume every day to keep us hydrated and healthy, especially in this hot, humid summertime, we will choose the best one for sure. If you know me guys, I trust Ecoviva to filter my water that I take daily. And this time guys, I got a great news because Ecoviva had a new product and I will introduce you as well the newest technology now with 6-in-1 composite filter tested by SGS. So without further ado, let's unboxing. Here we go guys. So they have two choices of this MATE4 Ecoviva water filter. Have two choices color, black and white, but I choose black because I think it matches with our kitchen that my husband painting white for me as my request. Oops. Ooh, la la. Ooh, so fancy. Looks so pretty. It's totally different style with the old one, and it's definitely have modern style. This is the filter replacement wrench, and this is the drip tray. It's so cool because it's magnetic.
MATE4 Countertop reverse osmosis system feature a cutting-edge 6-in-1 composite filter with US standard tested by SGS. It is on a mission to block out the hidden risk of tap water, removing 1,000+ contaminants by 99.99%. Farewell to the likes of heavy metals and goodbye to chlorine, chlorides, fluorides, and nitrates. With instant hot and multiple temperatures, you got 4 options in this smart water filter. Thanks to its cutting-edge instant heating tech, just get ready for instant hot water in seconds. Real neat with monitor and multiple volume, so you will stay informed with the real-time output TDS monitor.
First thing first, we have to wash this feed water tank and feed water tank cover. This one and this with warm soapy water.
When you unboxing, you will find white round plastic. And over here, I show you how to put it into the water tank.
And I'm going to wash this tank first and wash this too.
The MATE4 is a portable RO system that's ready to rock in any space with power supply. From home to the apartment, kitchen, office, camping trip, RV adventure, and beyond. This RO filter is your hydration hero. Always ready to deliver crystal clear water wherever you go.
Alright, now so the tank is clean because this is the first time use, so we have to follow in the step to cleansing the water filter, RO filter cleansing. So let's fill this tank to the maximum. With the regular tap water. Alright, and then place the tank right here. And place the cover. And then connect with the power. So this is the machine, it's automatically flashing, and then initiate the RO pure water, and then automatically fill the water tank to the inside system. Then it says work over here, so wait patiently. The sounds is so much quiet than the old one. Seems like we cannot hear it at all. Now it stopped working and the working indicator here is off. Please pour the remaining water at the tank and you can use it for watering the plants or something else like that, but it's not drinkable. Now step 2 is place the big bowl or container underneath it, and then press and hold 150 milliliters. Now this process is draining the RO pure water. This is also not drinkable. And guys, this process you have to repeat it at least 6 to 8 times for safety. Second time. It says works over here. It means draining the RO pure water. This process is flushing. Works here at flushing from the tank at the back to the RO system. Stop working. Now put this big bowl again underneath it and press and hold 150 milliliters to drain out the RO pure water. Press, you should wait until like gonna beep, long beep.
Ecoviva not only simple, but also no need installation headache or tricky filter replacement. Just plug it in and hydrate happily.
Max, and now they're filtering, they're flushing inside. And during the filtering, guys, it's normal if the water kinda bubbly like that. It means the RO it's work. Alright, now this is the 8th times. Alright, the water is ready now, guys. I'm so excited to taste it. So first thing first, because this is my glasses Countertop, so I take off this drain thingy, and first thing is choose the water output you want, and then press the temperature that you want. There you go. I like to try the normal temperature first. So this is 150 milliliters, so let's try. It's slightly sweet that I taste, I think. It's really good, really fresh. And I like to infuse my water sometime. I will put strawberry, and this is blueberry, also blackberry. Yummy, yummy. And because they are frozen, so make the temperature also kind of cooler. I love it. And over here, the second choice is for formula for baby milk, so you don't have to worry. If you have baby, you don't have to worry. The water to give will be too hot or too cold, and just the perfect temperature. It's over here 115 Fahrenheit for formula. And number 3 is 185 Fahrenheit is for tea and coffee. But it's getting late over here, even though still sunshine, it's summertime, so I'm gonna make a ginger tea. Let's try. To change the temperature, you can press the lock first and then unlock it. There you go. Let's try. I'll try with spoon first, just in case it's hot. It's perfect. So good, guys. Okay, this is a ginger tea. Ginger is high of antioxidant and inflammatory, so yeah, it's very healthy for you. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time of the boiling. It's 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So always press the how much water you want. Press the lock first and then press the boiling. There you go. You can see the smoke and it's flashing work. It means filtering automatically all the time. And with this boiling, you can always use it for whatever that it's you need boiling water. So guys, what you waiting for? Get your best health and stay hydrated with the best water filter, Ecoviva. Now use the link that I will share in the description box, so I guarantee you will get the best price. Thank you so much, guys. I love you and I will see you soon.